Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to refresh the For You page on TikTok. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch a TikTok app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right corner on your profile. Then I want you to hit the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then I want you to click on Settings and Privacy. When you're at Settings and Privacy, I want you to scroll down and I want you to click on Content Preferences. When you're at Content Preferences, I want you to click on Refresh Your For You feed. When you click on this, there are a couple of things that will be changed, okay? TikTok will show you popular videos to launch your new feed. This means that when you see a new video on TikTok, you want to make sure that you interact or you're not interacting with to build up the most relevant feed. If you really want to see more content about it, just like it, save it, share it, okay? If you don't like it, because remember this is a test period for TikTok to find out what you really like or you're interested in. The second thing I want you to pay very close attention to is that the more you interact, the more personalized your feed will be. This means that if you like something, don't skip it without clicking like or without doing anything. Comment. Any interaction counts over here for crafting your personal experience. So this is good for you, this is good for TikTok, everyone wins. The third, of course, is that your following feed, profile, and inbox will not be affected. Meaning that what your account usually was recommended for or promoted for to other accounts will remain the same. If you before publishing videos about dogs, you're still gonna remain in your dog category no matter that you refresh your feed and your interest shift from one paradigm to another. But this is how you reset your TikTok For You page, and this is how you can actually craft a brand new experience using the app. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.